So we know there are tons of apps that you can integrate into your FBA store. What I'm here to share with you are the key apps that you can build an accounting tech stack around. So of course at B Ninjas, we're huge fans of Xero. So Xero is going to be the heart of your accounting system. Some of the extensions to that are going to be HubDoc for storage of documents and receipts. Also, HubDoc presents an amazing fetch feature that logs into your bank accounts and actually pulls down the bank statements when they're available. The next two apps are critical and we suggest to most e-commerce brands that we support. The first is A2X. Some of the top benefits are that, one, it cuts down on errors from manual processing of your net settlements into your accounting software. The second is you're going to save a ton of time on these necessary accounting tasks each month, the posting of your sales against the numerous FBA storage fees and charges that Amazon applies. The next is critical. If you are selling across multiple instances of Seller Central and across multiple countries, you certainly need A2X. The next app is TaxJar. TaxJar is going to help you manage and be compliant around sales tax. Sales tax simply cannot be ignored. Some of the benefits here: there's no manual managing of sales tax from multiple spreadsheets. It's going to help you identify the appropriate rates within all jurisdictions where you exceed the Nexus thresholds. It's also going to give you a heads up in terms of reporting and notify you in those areas where you have an Amazon warehouse where you may be exceeding Nexus. The last, it's going to help you automate your sales tax filings. These two apps, A2X and TaxJar, are critical for most FBA sellers.